What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and that's a Dashcam. And this thing was from Qubo. Now this thing is history, as it's gone bad. So I opened it up and wanted to show you. So this is the front part of the camera, and this is the back part, and there is a capacitor in there, and this is the main circuitry with the camera lens on it. And on this side you can see this is the image processing unit under this metal heatsink. It's completely covered with a heatsink. Then on that this extra aluminum, this black heatsink. But the point is, Qubo has very bad after-sales service, as they don't have any service center. I didn't find anyone. What I found was a WhatsApp number, and when I complained there, they called me and tried to help through the call, press that button, change the cord, and change the power socket. All this stuff, the basic stuff, so that anyone can do nowadays. When this thing goes bad, the hardware goes bad, and there is no option to do that. Even they arrange a video call, and the same thing happened. Through the video call, they asked me to do that and press that button and do that, and nothing happened. So basically then the call was disconnected, and I didn't get them again through the call. So if this thing can be repaired, then they must have a service center, or they must have the peak drop option for that, like we used to have long back with a Intel motherboard. But Qubo doesn't have anything like that. Now I gotta throw it away, as these are like SMD components on board, and it's very hard to repair it. I gotta try through any local technician, and then I'll throw it away. Now before that, let me show you when I'll assemble this thing, then you can understand how to open it reverse the way. But I'll do that later. Now let me tell you something. That's a mini tablet battery right there, which run this chip to keep the settings, dead time and all. And here that's the USB socket for power, and this socket is for the microphone, which is on the other side right there. And this socket is for the capacitor, as this thing has, here you can see two capacitors are there. This is the socket for the capacitor to boost the power, and that's a mic. You can see this yellowish thing right there. The other side, that's the microphone right there. So they're gonna be connected here, and the capacitor here, and that's the sensor antenna or something like that, which is gonna be connected where? Okay, right there, right here, as you can see. So that's pretty basic, and that's the LED light with blue and red color, which glows here, and from there you can see through this place. So as this thing is gone, nothing is gonna turn on, and I've tried many things. Okay, let me show you once. Let's mount this thing here, and that's for the mic, and that's for the capacitor. All right, now this thing is gonna be mounted here. Okay, it's gonna be mounted here like that, and you'll find 4 screws here. You gotta mount them, screws. And then this is for the speaker, which is gonna be mounted here. And then yes, you need to push it, and it will stuck to those notches right there, if you can see. So it works like that. And when you open it, you gotta go through this side. You gotta slide something flat, a screwdriver or a knife here, and then twist it. and from here and from this side twist it all through this point and here this point, and then this thing will come out just like that. So now let's break some things. Okay. Oh, okay, this thing come off so easily, as you can see. And that's the main chip, I guess, image processing chip, and some other components are there. That's not a small chip. And this is a SD card slot. All right, and what is this? And this is another chip, I guess. I don't know if I can move it or no. Okay, yeah. Okay, this thing is a Wi-Fi, I guess, as I can see this square type box right there, metal box inside this kit. This is the Wi-Fi section. Okay, got it. This is the Wi-Fi section, and that's the main image processing chip and the other components. So that's the basic of it. All right, so that's it. This was the dismantle video of this Qubo Dashcam, which didn't last long. So hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.